Good morning and welcome to Junction City Guarantee RV. Today we're going to look at a 2020 Outlaw. This is the 38 MB. Love this rig. Okay, it's on the Ford chassis. It's got the 6-speed transmission, 460 foot-pounds of torque. This thing is just pretty gosh darn well loaded. Chrome mirrors with side camera, full body paint, automatic steps. This thing has 3 outside awnings, all push button, all electric. Outside TV with sound bar. We've got a big water tank. I love the easy drain. You open that thing up, that's gonna drain that water out real quick. Nice deep storage, goes all the way through out the other side. Got a lot of batteries, 4 house batteries. Just starting out, 4 house batteries. Love that. Look at this good sized storage here. Okay, I like this rig because the slide, it's up there high enough that I'm not going to walk into it. If you're a little taller than I am, be careful of the slide. 22-inch tires, Alcoa rims. This is our cargo area, our back bedroom. We'll get to that in a moment. It has its own door. More storage, more storage. Oops. Go this way. This is set up for the outside barbecuer. Underneath, the second awning. Here's our cargo door for loading in our toy hauler stuff, our golf carts, or whatever you want to put. It also has like a playpen area. We can totally enclose this in so the children or grandchildren can be back here, enjoy the sunshine, not fall out. It's super easy to lift up, release, etc. It's got more and more. This is an interesting little thing here. Little fuel gauge outside. Man, a little fuel pump. It's a toy hauler. It's got a rear fuel tank for your toys. That way you can put, clear gas in here or whatever you need, higher octane that you really don't want to burn in that Ford V10. More storage. This is our second fuel station. That's for the house. That one back there is for the toys. Power cord, automatic transfer switch. A lot more storage all down through here. I love the colors on this one. Here's our water station, dumping our tanks, etc. Outside shower. I mean, look at that one, goes all the way through and out the other side. Here's our 5,500 watt awning generator. Should be more than enough power. Here's our hydraulic pump, because this is going to have hydraulic leveling. It's all automatic, push button, easy to do. Love this coach. Let's go inside. If the outside's impressive, wait till you see the inside. And you can get into this from 3 different doors. This is our main entry door. It's a 2020. Love the new stereo system. This is also our backup camera, GPS navigation, cell phone. Gosh, it just does everything. Our Ford chassis, the 2020, looks sharp, feels nice. We've got our automatic hydraulic leveling over here. Speakers mounted up front. And oh my gosh, it has almost enough cup holders. Now there's 4 or 5 of them, I don't know, it's almost enough. If you notice that this roof line is a little bit low, that's because this is a drop down bed. It's a queen drop down bed. So we can have somebody sleeping here, somebody can be sleeping at the booth dinette. This is a love seat, makes into a bed. We're going to take and skip a little bit of room here and go all the way back here. We've got another bed, USB charging on both sides. It has 2 on each side because you can never really have enough charging points. And then in the back here, this is what really makes this coach just something special. So this is our cargo area for our toys or what have you, or it can be a whole nother bedroom. Okay, we've got a queen size bed on top. Then we have a table, booth back here. Okay, this also makes into a bed. So if we go back and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we got 6 beds in here. Love this sliding glass door to keep the noise and smells and stuff out. If we're putting stuff back here, we can have the screen open. I really love this. It's got a lock on this door, so you can keep some containment, shall we say. Back here, they have their own air conditioner, they have their own entertainment package, their own stereo, their own awning, their own lighting system, their own ventilation system, windows on each side, plus of course that patio out the back. Now I skipped a few things, so let's run back in here. I'm trying to do this real quick because I don't want to bore you guys with a real long video, but this coach kind of does require a lot of stuff. Love the bathroom. Sliding glass doors for the shower, porcelain toilet, a good sized sink. So many times you end up with this sink that you can either wash the left hand or the right hand. It's pre-wired for solar. It has an inverter. It has the touch screen. It has the electric refrigerator, no propane, no firebox in the wall. I love the way that Outlaw is doing this stove. You can do true induction. You can program the temperature you want your pan, and that's how hot it'll get. Or propane if you're off grid. Nice solid surface countertops. There's our cutting board. Pretty side up, dull side down, flip it over. Now we've got a cutting board and you don't even mess up the pretty side. A lot of cabinetry throughout. Fantastic fan right above the stove. Our TV is straight across from the sofa, so if you're sitting here, you don't have to look 90 degrees to see it up over here. This is a 38 MB Outlaw 2020. I'm Roger Woodruff with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Thank you for letting me take up some of your time. If you have any questions about this rig or any others, my name's Roger Woodruff and I'd love to help you out. Have a great day.